Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to the video. Today we are at No Fly Zone. I'm just taking a little look around. You'll see some Jaguar F-Types, some GTRs, Corvettes, G80 and G82 M4s, lots of Hellcats, a McLaren over there on the left side. There was also a Lexus meet today, so that's what we're doing here. Look at this pretty nice Viper right here, and then we have a cammed C8 coming out the trailer right now. So let's just get it out the way. The LC500 is not a sports car, it's not a fast car. We are simply here to just do some runs with our friends and have fun, you know, going as fast as we can on a half-mile drag strip, or I should say an airstrip. So last time I was at this event, the time or that mile per hour that I hit was 135. We are going to be trying to beat that today at this event, so let's get straight into it. What's up, y'all? About to do our first run at No Fly Zone. Got my helmet ready. Gonna do a run against my friend first in this SS1LE. Going in staging lanes, so let's get it. All right, run back with the ISF. As you saw in that last video, I keep forgetting that this car upshifts on its own in first gear. So when I'm trying to shift it in the second, I'm doing it too late, and then it's kicking me in the third. So this time, I'm remembering to let it shift on its own. And then I can start shifting myself. So here we go. go. We got that, buddy. Let's go. We got that, buddy. So on that last run against the ISF, we did a 136.11. That is my new highest for this car. The car is still pulling timing up top. We're now down to 16 kclv. It was 19. So yeah. Actually, now it seems like I'm running against a Supra. On this window says 450 horsepower. So now I'm still gonna get smoked. A much lighter car, more power than me. But we're fourth in line, and I'll be recording that. So after that race with the ISF that I just showed beforehand, hit a 137, which is my new high for today. All right, last run. We are gonna try to fishtail like crazy in this one. So let's have a little fun. So these are all my tickets from the day. There's 15 runs that I did here. Maybe did more and maybe lost some of those tickets, but I did get to 138 miles per hour and a half mile, which is my highest time ever. I don't think I recorded those. You know, just so much going on when you're on that line trying to line up and stuff. You forget to turn on your GoPro. But if you ever get a chance to go to a racing event on an airstrip, do it. It's so much fun. It doesn't matter if your car is slow or fast. Just go out there, have fun, test the limits of your car and see what it can do. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.